Starfish, also known as sea stars, are captivating creatures. They inhabit our oceans, from warm tropical waters to the icy depths. These animals are not fish, but echinoderms. This means they are related to sea urchins and sand dollars. Starfish are invertebrates, lacking a backbone. They come in a dazzling array of colors and patterns. Starfish are found in all the world's oceans. They inhabit a variety of habitats. Some prefer rocky shores, clinging to rocks. Others burrow in sandy seabeds. Still others dwell in the deep sea, far from our sight. They are a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans. Starfish are fascinating to observe. They move gracefully across the sea floor. Their arms, radiating from a central disc, give them their characteristic star shape. These animals are a reminder of the beauty and wonder that lie beneath the waves. Their presence enriches our oceans and inspires awe in those fortunate enough to encounter them. Let's delve deeper into the world of starfish. We'll uncover the secrets of their anatomy, their feeding habits, and their vital role in marine ecosystems. Starfish possess a unique body plan that sets them apart from many other marine creatures. Their anatomy is specifically adapted for survival on the ocean floor, allowing them to thrive in various underwater environments. Their most recognizable feature is their arms, which radiate from a central disc. Most starfish have 5 arms, but some species can have many more, with some even boasting up to 40 arms. These arms are not just for show. They serve multiple essential functions. They play a crucial role in locomotion, feeding, and even breathing, making them indispensable to the starfish's survival. Underneath each arm lie hundreds of tiny tube feet, which are essential for movement and capturing prey. These tube feet are powered by a remarkable hydraulic system called the water vascular system, which is unique to echinoderms. Water is drawn in through a small opening on the top of the starfish called the madreporite, which acts as a gateway to the internal canal system. It then flows through a series of canals and into the tube feet, enabling the starfish to control its movements with precision. By controlling the water pressure in their tube feet, a starfish can extend or retract them, allowing for a wide range of movements. This allows them to move across the seafloor with surprising agility, navigating around obstacles and exploring their environment. The tube feet also act as suction cups, enabling starfish to cling to rocks and other surfaces with remarkable strength. This is essential for withstanding strong currents and waves, ensuring they remain anchored in place. Starfish lack eyes as we know them, but they have evolved a different way to sense their surroundings. They possess light-sensitive cells on the tips of their arms, which help them detect changes in light intensity. These cells allow them to navigate their surroundings, avoiding predators and seeking out food sources. Their sense of touch is also highly developed, with sensory receptors covering their entire body, allowing them to respond to their environment effectively. These adaptations make starfish perfectly equipped for life in the marine environment, showcasing their incredible evolutionary success. Starfish are opportunistic predators. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Their feeding habits are as unique as their anatomy. They have evolved a remarkable method for consuming prey much larger than themselves. Starfish feed on a variety of invertebrates, including mussels, clams, oysters, and snails. When a starfish encounters its prey, it uses its powerful tube feet to pry open the shells of bivalves. Once the shell is breached, the starfish does something extraordinary. It extends its stomach out of its mouth and into the shell of its prey. The starfish's stomach secretes digestive enzymes that break down the soft tissues of its prey. This process can take several hours or even days, depending on the size of the prey. Once the meal is digested, the starfish retracts its stomach and moves on, leaving behind only an empty shell. This unusual feeding method allows starfish to exploit food sources that are inaccessible to other predators. It also highlights their adaptability and their important role in controlling populations of their prey species. Their impact on marine communities is significant. Section 4, From Larva to Star, the Circle of Starfish Life. Starfish exhibit a fascinating life cycle that is both complex and captivating. From the moment they are born, these creatures embark on a journey that involves multiple stages of development and transformation. Their life cycle involves both sexual and asexual reproduction, showcasing their incredible adaptability and resilience in the marine environment. This dual strategy ensures their survival in a variety of environments, from the shallow coastal waters to the deep ocean floors. They undergo a remarkable transformation during their development, starting from tiny larvae and eventually becoming the star-shaped adults we recognize. Most starfish species reproduce sexually, engaging in fascinating mating behaviors that are a marvel to observe. During reproduction, males release sperm and females release eggs into the water, where fertilization occurs externally. This method increases the chances of successful fertilization in the vast ocean. The fertilized eggs develop into free-swimming larvae, which are tiny and almost invisible to the naked eye. These larvae are bilaterally symmetrical, meaning they have two identical halves, a feature that is crucial for their initial development. They drift in the ocean currents, feeding on plankton and other microscopic organisms which provide the necessary nutrients for their growth. After several weeks or even months, the larvae undergo a dramatic metamorphosis, changing their form entirely. They settle on the sea floor and transform into the familiar star-shaped adults, a process that is both intricate and awe-inspiring. This transformation involves a complete reorganization of their body plan, including the development of their unique radial symmetry. During this time, they develop their radial symmetry, arms and tube feet, which are essential for their movement and feeding. Some starfish species can also reproduce asexually, a remarkable ability that allows them to thrive even in challenging conditions. This occurs through a process called regeneration, where they can regrow lost limbs and even other body parts. If a starfish loses an arm, it can grow a new one, a process that can take several months but is vital for their survival. In some cases, a detached arm can even develop into a new individual, showcasing their incredible regenerative capabilities. This remarkable ability to regenerate lost body parts contributes significantly to the resilience and thriving populations of starfish in various marine environments, ensuring their continued presence in the ocean's diverse ecosystems. Section 5. Guardians of the reef starfish as keystone species. Starfish are not just beautiful marine creatures, they are vital to the health of our oceans. Starfish play a crucial role in maintaining the health and diversity of marine ecosystems. They are often the unsung heroes of the underwater world, working tirelessly to keep the balance. Their importance is often underestimated. Many people see them as simple, slow-moving creatures, but their impact is profound. Some species are considered keystone species. This term means that they have a critical role in their environment, much like the keystone in an arch that holds all the other stones in place. This means that their presence has a disproportionately large impact on their environment. Without them, the ecosystem would be dramatically different and less diverse. One well-known example is the ochre sea star, Peisaster ochraceus. This species is a prime example of a keystone species in action. This starfish is found along the Pacific coast of North America. It thrives in the intertidal zones where the ocean meets the land. It is a voracious predator of mussels. By feeding on these shellfish, it helps to control their population. By keeping mussel populations in check, the ochre sea star prevents them from outcompeting other species for space and resources. This allows a variety of marine life to thrive. Without the ochre sea star, mussel populations would explode. This would create a monoculture where only mussels dominate the area. This would lead to a decline in the diversity of other species. The rich tapestry of marine life would be replaced by a monotonous landscape. The intertidal zone would become dominated by mussels, creating an unhealthy ecosystem. This imbalance would affect not just the mussels, but all the species that rely on a diverse habitat. The presence of the ochre sea star helps to maintain a balance, ensuring the survival of a wide range of species. This balance is crucial for the health of the entire ecosystem. Starfish also play a role in regulating populations of other invertebrates, such as sea urchins and barnacles. These creatures can also become problematic if their numbers are not kept in check. By controlling these populations, starfish help to prevent overgrazing of kelp forests and other important habitats. Kelp forests are vital as they provide shelter and food for many marine species. Their impact on the marine environment is significant and far-reaching. Starfish are true guardians of the reef, ensuring that the underwater world remains vibrant and diverse for generations to come.